Sir, lagi po akong nanonood sa inyo. Oy, thank you so much po. Maraming salamat. Pahelp naman, looking for a car na gagamitin, city drive, highways, and occasional na Baguio trips. Ano kaya mare-recommend nyo? Number 1 is Kia Sonet, top of the line. Number 2, Yaris Cross na mid variant. And then may isa pa siya dito. Option number 3 is si Hyundai Creta. So gantong mga tanungan talaga is napakasarap sagutin because may model na and then may variant na rin kasama doon sa question. So Shesh, shoutout sa'yo dahil malakas ka sa akin. Tara, sagutin natin. So first of all, I like your taste. Magkakasundo tayo because itong tatlong to is sophisticated, pogi, elegant, premium, and then di rin patatalo sa feature. So I really like that. Again, magkakasundo tayo dito. So now, in terms of power, tatlong to naman is 1.5 liter engine, which is really more than enough kung usapang city driving. Hindi rin masyadong malakas, that's why pwedeng-pwede na rin yung fuel consumption. Medyo matipid na rin sa gas. So it's just a matter of kakayanin ba sa Baguio like you mentioned here. With that regard, I think the Hyundai Creta is I'll go for if priority talaga yung power, no? But because it's a mid variant lang si Creta dito, I really like the top of the line na ni Creta. So if it's not top of the line with the leather seats, yung brown na leather seats niya, I think I'll consider the other options. Si Sonet naman, okay, 1.5 liter engine, and then features maganda rin, panoramic sunroof. But sa tatlong to, I think Yaris Cross has the enough the sufficient power, 1.5 engine, and then features, and then yun, number one favorite feature natin, 360 degree camera. Si Yaris Cross mid variant V, meron siyang 360 degree camera. So para sa akin, if I will be the one to buy today, out of the three options that you gave me, with the overall package, premium vibes, siksik features, and then of course reliable din Toyota. So yan, for me Yaris Cross para sa akin. So sana nakatulong. Check my crossovers playlist on YouTube. See you there.